How to install the electrical box. Fix the electrical box to the pillar. Fasten the quick clamp directly and fasten it on the front of the motor wire. Climb up the pillar. After installation, connect the quick connector. At the top of the wire, there is a 3-core plug, a 3-core plug, a 4-core plug. This is the feeding motor and the stirring motor plug. How to install? First, find the 4-core plug. At the plug, there is a flower. There is a groove corresponding to the groove corresponds to concave. Then rotate the plug clockwise to complete the installation. Similarly, the 3-core plug, the groove corresponds to the protrusion. The groove corresponds to the protrusion. Then rotate it clockwise. It's installed. This one is a signal line through the top. Then, the hole and the motor box. And the motor box. Just plug it directly into the top. After checking, screw, tighten it. Signal line, plug it in. There are 3 terminals on the side of the motor box. The first one is material level. The middle one is the material level photoelectric. The bottom one is a weighing sensor. Corresponding to the weighing sensor corresponds to this wire. This is the weighing sensor. Plug the weighing sensor into the socket. Tongly, the groove should face the protrusion of the socket. Just press it lightly. This accessory is a foot switch. In the same way, with a groove, corresponds to the protrusion to be inserted. And press it gently. And press it. Thank you. This position is the material level. Install the material level. Plug the wire into the top. The same principle, the groove corresponds to the protrusion. And press it gently to insert.